Open Play Store in your mobile. Type NOF and click Install. Now click Open. Open the NOF app and explore its benefits. Your roll number, admit card, reports and results all at one place. Free sample papers and previous year's question papers for Olympiads and other entrance exams. Performance analysis and reports. Introducing Percentage Predictor for the first time in India. Now click on Get Started. Enter your mobile number and email and click on Proceed. After clicking on Proceed, you will receive an OTP. Enter the OTP and click on Submit. Register yourself to get your roll number for all the Olympiads and to participate in free ISQ. Congratulations! Your roll number will appear here on profile page. Now you are eligible to participate in free ISQ and other Olympiads. Note your roll number and write it down in parent information form which you have received from your school. In case if you do not have this form, download it from www.nof.org.in. Write down your roll number. Now write down your name and class. Tick mark the desired subjects given below on the form in which you want to participate. However, ISQ is free. Tick mark the desired practice books to score more in exams. Tear this form carefully and submit it to your class teacher or Olympiad coordinator. Now you have successfully registered for free ISQ and other selected Olympiads. Thank you for watching.